This video will demonstrate how to add a custom header image to a Google site. We'll do this by creating an image in Google Drawing and then uploading it to our site. To begin, let's head on over to Google Drawings. Here I am in Google Drawing, and I went ahead and created a custom header that I want to put into my Google site. And I want to show you one trick that I used to make this work out for me, and that's by changing the page setup of the drawing. To do that, I click File and Page Setup. So here we have the size of the page. I went ahead and selected Custom and then Pixels. I made it about 800 pixels wide by 120 pixels tall. You could probably extend this out to 1000 if you wanted, but I chose 800. So after you do that, you can then create your custom image, just like I did here. Once it's all ready, you can go ahead and download it to your computer by clicking File, Download As, and select JPEG or PNG. Now that I've downloaded this to my computer, I'm going to pull up my Google site, and we're going to go ahead and add this to the page. Now that I'm back on the Google site we've been working with, I need to do a couple of things. You see up here at the top that I have my domain logo, I have the name of the website, and then I have a search bar. For these purposes, I actually want to get rid of all three of these things. This site's not going to have a whole lot to search through, so I don't feel I really need the search box. And I'm going to replace the title and domain logo with the header image I created. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the page title and search box. To do that, I'll click the gear for settings, and then click Manage Site. At the top of the Manage Site window, you see Site Name, and I'm going to leave the site name there, but what I'm going to do is uncheck the box that says Show Site Name at top of pages. So I'll uncheck that. Then I'm going to scroll down and go to Configure Search. So here you can choose to enable or disable search, or maybe you want to customize your search just a little bit. Notice you can do a search just on your site, in all sites of your domain, and or do a Google search. And you can even choose the default search for your site as well. For this purpose though, I want to go ahead and uncheck this to disable the search. And then I'll click OK. Then I'll go ahead and hit Save to save my settings, and then click the name of the site to go back to my page. So now I've taken the site name and search box off of here. The only thing left to do is replace the domain logo with the header image I created. To do that, I'll click the gear again and click Edit Site Layout. Once I'm in the Edit Site Layout, I'll just click on the domain logo, and I'll go to the section that says Select Logo. I'm going to click the radio button for Custom Logo, and then click Choose File. And this will be just like attaching a file to an email. I'll just look for the right image, click Open. I'll give that just a second to load. We'll see the preview right here, and then click OK. Once that saves, the domain logo will be replaced with the logo I created. And you'll notice this isn't quite as wide as the web page, and I'm okay with that. You may want to, like I said earlier, increase the dimensions a couple pixels to increase that width. Once I'm finished, I hit close, and I'm good to go. This has been a brief demonstration showing how to insert a custom header image in a Google website.